In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Acuity scheduling, Squarespace. First, open your Squarespace website and enter the site editor. From there, head to the scheduling section. This is where Squarespace connects you with Acuity scheduling, the tool your clients use to pick a service and grab a time on your calendar. Open your scheduling page to see the same booking view your clients will see. Next, customize the look and feel. Go into the Styles area and open Colors. If you want quick, on-brand results, use the Match Your Website option. It scans your current design and applies complementary colors to buttons, text, and backgrounds on the booking page. If you prefer a custom palette, use the color controls that are highlighted in the panel to adjust accents and contrast. Aim for legible text and a clear primary button color. That makes choosing a time effortless for visitors. Remember to save as you go so none of your tweaks are lost. With the styling set, preview the booking flow like a client would. Choose a service from your list. For example, 50 minutes at $4,500. Select an available time, such as 9:00 a.m., and click Select and Continue. On the next screen, fill in the required form fields to simulate a real booking. Complete any remaining prompts that appear, then confirm the appointment. This quick test ensures that the colors, buttons, and messages you set in Styles look right and everything is easy to understand from start to finish. If something looks off after confirmation, return to the scheduling page and use the same highlighted controls in Styles or Colors to refine spacing, headings, or button visibility. When you want to change when people can book, open date and time to review availability and make adjustments, then refresh the preview to see the update. Once you're happy, leave the scheduling page open in another tab for future checks. A final tip. After publishing changes, do one more test booking and then cancel it from your admin so your calendar stays clean, and clear your browser cache if your preview doesn't reflect recent updates. That's it. Your Acuity scheduling